Fundamental techniques in handling people. If you want to gather honey, don't kick over the beehive. Criticism is futile because it puts a person on the defensive and usually makes him strive to justify himself. Criticism is dangerous because it wounds a person's precious pride, hurts his sense of importance, and arouses resentment. Let's realize that the person we are going to correct and condemn will probably justify himself or herself and condemn us in return. Any fool can criticize, condemn, and complain, and most fools do. But it takes character and self-control to be understanding and forgiving. Instead of condemning people, let's try to understand them. Let's try to figure out why they do what they do. That's a lot more profitable and intriguing than criticism, and it breeds sympathy, tolerance, and kindness. To know all is to forgive all. God himself, sir, does not propose to judge man until the end of his days. Why should you and I? Principle 1, don't criticize, condemn, or complain.